While we hope many of you have already prepared for the current hurricane season, we also know some of you may just be starting to. We don't blame you. Emergency kits take a lot of time to put together, and the cost of supplies can really add up. Pre-assembled emergency kits can also be quite expensive, with many of them being over $100. Those that are under $50 tend to skip out on certain items. Let me show you how to build your own emergency kit without breaking the bank. Our goal is to keep it budget friendly while including the bare minimum items you'll need to survive. Since most retail pre-assembled kits are intended for up to 72 hours, our do-it-yourself or DIY kit will also follow that standard. Let's get started. Most mid-range priced retail kits will provide dehydrated food and water pouches. For breakfast, a protein bar will do the trick. Add 3 of those to your kit. For your DIY kit, you can include 6 assorted canned foods, one for lunch and dinner each day. Don't forget the can opener. As humans, we need at least 8 cups of water per day or half a gallon. Get yourself 3 gallons of purified water, 2 for drinking and 1 for miscellaneous purposes. Medical emergencies might happen during your emergency. Include an all-purpose medical kit with your supplies. This one featured includes assorted bandages, gauze pads, cleansing wipes, antibiotic cream, medical gloves, Tylenol, and more. During an emergency, power may not be available. Include multiple light sources such as flashlights or LED camping lanterns. Lastly, you'll need a device for communication. Either carry a portable radio, or for a similar price, you can get a solar power bank that can keep your phone charged. You can charge the power bank with a USB cable before the emergency occurs, then use solar power to keep it going when there's a power outage. You can get a full list of supplies to include in your DIY emergency kit at hawaiianelectric.com. But if you don't have the time or money, the before mentioned items are easy to obtain online or at most big box stores. Overall, it will cost a little over $50. That's a fraction of the price of what they charge for a mid-tier retail emergency kit. There you have it. One more thing, make sure you store all of your supplies in an easy to find place. Put it in an old backpack, duffel bag, or carrying box so it's easy to move around when you need to put it into use. Remember, your chances of surviving an emergency is measured to how prepared you are. Get prepared and stay safe.